the major reason that you see so many failures in bathtub refinishing is because they're using acrylic urethane. It might be aliphatic acrylic urethane paint or epoxy paint. We were using those back in the 90s, the early 90s, and technology has advanced so much that we now have the porcelain glaze. Moisture scavenger goes down. Like I was explaining, gets rid of that moisture, gets rid of any kind of body oils, soap residue, anything like that. But using that, you're able to sink the new surface beneath the old surface. So we're not actually just putting something on top of the old surface. I'm able to bond into the old surface, giving you a permanent surface with the porcelain glaze. And I'm going to link another video here or here. I like it when they do that on YouTube. I don't really know where it's going to be at. But I'm going to get that linked up so that it'll show you a couple of tubs that's been done and how they failed and what it kind of looks like. So if you're new to refinishing or you've never had your bathtub refinished before, you can just kind of get some knowledge with that. So, but thank you so much for giving me your time. You got to know me just a little bit because I'll be the one coming out to do the job for you. Thank you.